Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to answer which is the better artificial intelligence stock to buy. Is it Palantir Technologies or Upstart? Now to answer this question of which is the better AI stock to buy, I'm going to compare these two on revenue, profitability, cash flow, and valuation. So let's jump right into it, starting with revenue. And looking at Palantir's trailing 12-month revenue going back to July of 2020, you can see a steady upward trajectory here. However, Upstart not similar. You see a big uptick here for Upstart, jumping up close to 1.2 billion in revenue, and then you see a big decrease here coming back down to 538 million in revenue. Upstart uses artificial intelligence to make decisions on loans, and that was popular during the earlier stages of the pandemic when lenders were not afraid of customers defaulting on the loans. Most consumers had inflated bank accounts due to stimulus provided by governments worldwide, and so lenders were not concerned about defaults and an economic recession. However, fast forward to mid 2022 when the Federal Reserve really started increasing interest rates and lenders started to fear there could be a recession coming soon. And when lenders fear there's a recession coming, they pull back on lending. One of the first places they pulled back was on Upstart because it is yet unproven, unlike longer legacy loan lending methods that have a longer history of performance in up and down cycles. And so that's what Upstart is dealing with. Those are the headwinds that it's dealing with. And while the decline has moderated, the turnaround has not yet happened for Upstart. The next thing I wanted to look at is net income over the trailing 12-month period. And you can see Upstart was heading very well, doing really nicely in terms of net income, well ahead of Palantir, but they've reversed scenarios here with Upstart experiencing decreasing profitability and Palantir's profitability increasing, almost profitable on the bottom line for the trailing 12 months. The company did say for the fiscal year 2023, they do expect to be profitable on the bottom line. So it would not surprise me if over the next 2 quarters, if we look at this metric for Palantir and it's in the positive above zero in this metric, that's not likely to be the case for Upstart anytime soon. The next thing I'm going to look at before I look at valuation is free cash flow. And again, in this metric, Palantir showing its advantage, 375 million in free cash flow, with Upstart at least turning things around here with stemming the losses and heading back in the right direction, although still negative 285 million and well behind Palantir. All right. So interestingly, they're both trading at similar valuations, with Upstart trading more expensively at a forward PE of 59 compared with Palantir with a forward PE of 56.88. This could partly be because Upstart has much larger upside compared to Palantir. The market for loans is much larger than the market that Palantir operates in, which is providing enterprises with solutions for improving their operations. That's a smaller market when you compare that with the market opportunity for lending. And so investors could be willing to pay a premium price for Upstart because of the upside. However, that's not my feelings here. If I was to have to pick between one of these two stocks right now, I would choose Palantir as the better AI stock to buy right now. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.